Introducing the Supply and Demand Rechargeable Headlamp Kit. This kit includes one LED headlamp powered by a long-lasting rechargeable lithium-ion battery, one standard micro USB cable for fast and efficient charging, one easy-to-wear adjustable headband with rotating bracket, The headlamp is equipped with a strong magnet at the base, making it simple to attach to any magnetic surface. Crafted from durable materials, this headlamp is both impact and water resistant, offering 3 different brightness modes for ultimate convenience. Brought to you by Supply and Demand, the repair brand.